What's up, guys? Welcome back. I don't even know what to say anymore. I'm out of ideas. We're doing a little crappie fishing today. Just a little bit of crappie fishing. This place looks fished out. There's about 10 million houses out here right now. I haven't been on here for a while this year. And it looks like someone found out. But I might put a tip up or two if my minnows are still alive. I don't know. Oh, disgusting. Not good. Yeah, I don't think we're putting a tip up. Alright. I was going to try to do some bass fishing, but I'm going to move up shallow for a little while. Maybe try to get on some gills before I see if the crappies are here. Crappie fishing. Cheese grading time. Lots of holes. Lots of work. Let's get right into it.
Okay, I'm gonna start with what I always do. You know what it is. A Euro tackle. Oh. First hole that I drilled. Let me just switch around actually. I'm gonna try to go this way only for now. This place is ridiculous with fish houses. There's a few fish down there. It is 17, 18 feet here. Should probably tighten your reel before you catch something, buddy. Okay, now there's no fish down there. I see there's a bunch of houses set up in the main basin on the lake, 38, 40 feet. Do not want to keep fish today. We're going to concentrate on the steep edges, weed edges, 18 to 20 feet. See if we can get some here. Because I do not feel like cleaning fish today. Holy buckets. I'm glad I moved. So I'm marking a bunch of them. Oh, this is going to be instant. Instant. And it's tiny. That's not cool. Oh gosh. It was pretty much instant. This hole is loaded. These poor little crappies. Just getting hammered way too hard out here. Gosh, there's fish so high in the water column. Oh, there you go. Better. These fish are only 12 feet down. It's a touch better. Well, not what I'm looking for yet. Gosh, there's so many of them down there though. This is insane. Insane. Okay, on the move. They don't stay long. Gonna switch it up to a little gold Y-fray. Oh yeah. That's what I'm thinking. I mean, how can you not love that? I do. I most certainly do. Ooh, first looker. Hit it. So that's a good sign. That's a good sign. That is a good sign, but not the size I am looking for. We need bigger fish. On the move. Oh, he's coming in hot. Oh. What? There we go. This one a little better. Absolutely crushed it. Oh, yeah. There we go. It's not bad. Getting to eater class. And it's gone. She gone. See you later, dude. Until next time, I'll see you. Actually, there's gonna be a next time for you. You bite like that again, you're gonna be on someone's dinner table, pal. Oh yeah. Got him. Oh, thumped it too. Just thumped it, didn't ya? Spit it out a little bit. Oh, bucket. Ooh. Ooh. There we go. Now that's a slab. Take that. Heck yeah. Makes me want to keep him. Oh, there's a good one. Gosh, that thing pounded it. There's no shortage of crappies right now. There's a better one. Heck yeah. Just annihilated that jerry. Okay, we're gonna go grab the big camera and maybe some lights, or actually some lights too. See if we can get a couple of these bigger guys to go after it gets dark, 'cause that's what I hear is the ticket out here. Might drive the truck over here too. Alright, sick. Figured it. Fire up the lights. Get a little nighttime crappie bite going. That's gonna be doing it. That's gonna be doing it. Oh, this is a good one. Begging. Begging. Oh. Yes. That's a stud. Oh, that's a good crappie right there. That's what I'm out here for. The big ones are supposed to show up at night and go with way nicer than the ones I have been catching. Yes, that was sick. Working a couple high marks, you know. The higher the marks, the higher the class of fish, usually, is the case. But in this lake, higher class of fish, I think, is just about gone. My poor guys are getting fished too hard, I think, out here. Good. Good. Heck yeah. Not a bad one. Oh, got a little froze in there. That's not a bad one either. We are just plucking away here at that in the dark. That camera kind of doesn't show these guys. They get in the light. They kind of look kind of weird. That's another nice one. Another high, super high mark. And yeah, not bad at all. Getting him back. I like how, oh, buckets, there's some high ones down there. Are the lights working? Can you see me? It's weird when you're filming in the lights because you can't see anything around you.
It's even weirder now that there's people at that house right next to me. Didn't know that. Okay. Oh, they're acting like an idiot. I don't care. I'm just here to catch crappies, man. So I hear the big ones fight at night. I have not seen any big ones yet. Well, it's a nice fish, but I'm looking for true giants. True giants. Figure out maybe come on at night. Maybe the freaks come on at night. Not the case. You gonna commit? Probably not. Oh. Oh, he committed. That's a better fish. Gosh, thank you. That's a little better. Not something I'd write home about, but better than what I have been catching out here for size. It's probably 9.5 incher. Let him go. Let him go and let him go. That mark was so high, it was insane. Here he comes. Dude, these fish are everywhere. 5 feet down, 20 feet down, 12 feet down. Got him. No way. Small fish, but are you kidding me right now? Fish was 5 feet below the freaking ice. Holy buckets, dude. Intense. Taking more of a comfortable approach at this. In hopes to catch some bigger fish. Oh, couple red marks. Couple red marks. What are they doing? Nothing like they're doing much. On. It's a dinker. There we go. Nighttime crappie. Look at that. They do exist on this lake. It's over there. Alright. That's gonna do it for me tonight. I've been out here for a while. It's been dark for a while. The big fish didn't come. I don't know. I don't know if I was just not in the right spot tonight or what. But got a lot of fish. Not a lot of huge ones, but that's alright. Nice to get out after work on a weekday once again. And oh, just had a bite. Yeah, I don't know where we'll be next or where I will be next, but I'm sure I'll be fishing like always, chasing something, hopefully a little bit bigger next time. This was fun. Get out, try something different, a little nighttime fishing. I have not done this yet this year. Drop a comment down below if you guys want to see some more nighttime fishing. And yeah, it's kind of we're in the mid-winter lull. We're gonna start hitting some good stuff here. Trout's gonna be full swing. Burbot season's coming real quick, and that's probably my favorite. With that being said, if you guys could hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. Signing off. Till next time, we will see you then.